Let's open it. Oklahoma. Let's see what we got. Oof. Oh. Saca cocho. Wow. Okay. Unboxing by Marc Anthony Romero. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. Let's put this to the side. Woohoo! Okay. Unboxing by Marc Anthony. Marc Anthony. Oh, nice. Nice. Look like a mafia movie. Oh, $100 bills. Nice. Ta-da-ga-ga. 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 Okay, let's see. Like this? Or let's put it like this. Let's put it like this. Let's see what we got. Ooh! Holy shit. This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. I love it. Holy shit. Don't put no beep on it. Holy shit, and that's it. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. I got to test this with a good bottle of wine. On Friday, I'm going to do another video. And I'm going to show you how it works with my daughter, Michelle Marie, Romero Daugther, Michelle Rodale. Like that's her last name now. That's why I love that girl. Wow, look at this. This is a piece of art. This is beautiful. Metal, like brass. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at the precision. Look at the precision. See how it turns? Well, I got to tell you something, guys. I'm going to tell you something. On Friday, I'm going to do a video opening a nice bottle of wine. I'm going to get a nice bottle of wine. Nice, look at this. I mean, it got everything. Wow. Well, I don't read instruction. I like to do things old school, you know. This is gorgeous. This goes here. See, this is the type of thing that you don't want to have any scumbag coming to your apartment, to your crib. You know? This is gorgeous, Michelle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Thank you, thank you. This is my only Father's Day gift I received this year from Michelle. Michelle, I'm going to invite you down here on weekend to Tampa so we can go hang out, go eat sushi and stuff like that. I'll pay for your ticket. And this Friday, I'm going to test this, okay? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. It's beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Nice. I mean, let me put it here because I don't want no scratches on my wine thing. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. So high quality. It's made where? I bet you it's got to be made in Europe. Wow. Nice, beautiful. I think this is German or something like this. Okay, Great Britain. I don't know which one's that. I know this is Italia. This is Spain. Okay. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I like it, love it. On Friday, I'm going to do a video how to use it, okay? Let me put it back in the box. I'm in my office. Yeah, I'm still in my office after a nice vacation. Take the